How to post more than 10 pictures in Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Play Store. Tap on the search icon. Now search for Instagram. Now tap on search. Now tap on Instagram and make sure to update to the latest version. If any update is available, simply tap on the update button. Now wait for the update to install. Now after installing the update, simply tap on open. Now tap on the plus icon. Now under gallery, simply tap on select multiple. Now select your photos. Now once you select your photos, simply tap on next. Now you will be taken to this page. Now on this page you can crop your photo, apply filters and many more. Now once you do all of that, simply tap on next. Now wait for some time. Now simply tap on share. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.